If you're familiar with the keto diet, you know the struggle of parting ways with traditional bread and desserts. The agony of giving up those comforting indulgences. A sacrifice for the promise of a healthier lifestyle. Back in the 1920s, the keto diet emerged as an epilepsy treatment. Today, it's not just a diet. It's a revolution. People worldwide are embracing it for autism, type 2 diabetes, fat loss, and more. The keto diet isn't just a trend. It's a transformation. But oh, the pain of bidding farewell to beloved carbs, rice, pasta, bread, donuts, and cakes. Deprivation sets in. Is it worth sacrificing the joy that comes with that first bite of bread or a delectable dessert? What if I told you there's a way to cling to the keto diet and still savor your favorite bread and desserts? Imagine sculpting your ideal figure while relishing freshly baked bread and pastries. It's not just a dream, it's a tantalizing reality. Kelley Herring, the genius behind keto breads and keto desserts, has cracked the code. A nutrition expert with a background in biochemistry, she faced illness head-on, altering her diet when doctors offered no solutions. Her mission? To create healthy dishes that mimic the real thing, a triumph of years of trial and error. Kelley's creations are a feast for the eyes, but it's the benefits that truly entice. Say yes to keto breads and keto desserts, and here's we tasty joy. Healthy food often lacks flavor, but not with Herring's recipes. Delight in bread and desserts that taste like pure happiness. Baking made easy. Kelley's books offer a comprehensive baking curriculum with vivid photos and simple directions. Even if you're not a seasoned baker, these recipes are foolproof. Perfected to delight, these recipes underwent extensive trials, ensuring the results are as mouth-watering as the images. Serve these dishes to your family with pride, knowing they're indulging in amazing flavors. No more trade-offs between health and taste. Embrace a diet that lets you relish the foods you love. No more hunger pangs. Bake your way to a healthy life with delectable, weight-conscious bread and desserts. These recipes are your ally, motivating and supporting your journey. Get them now, and let the keto baking adventure begin. Click below the description link. Your path to a deliciously healthy life awaits.